Hello, YouTube learners. Today, we're diving into the world of physics to unravel the mystery of Newton's third law of motion. Let's journey back in time and explore this fascinating law in a way that's easy to understand. In the 17th century, Sir Isaac Newton was a true intellectual explorer. His keen observations of the world around him led to a remarkable revelation. He noticed that when one object exerted a force on another, the second object responded by exerting an equal force in the opposite direction. It was this profound insight that paved the way for the formulation of Newton's third law of motion. Newton's third law is a fundamental principle of physics. It states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. In simpler terms, when you push something, that something pushes you back with the same amount of force. It's like the universe's way of keeping everything in balance. Let's explore everyday scenarios to grasp this law better. Consider walking. As you take a step, your foot pushes backward on the ground, and the ground responds by pushing you forward. It's this very principle that allows you to move forward. Imagine rowing a boat. As you push the water with your paddle, the water pushes the boat in the opposite direction, propelling you forward. Even sitting in a chair involves Newton's third law. Your body presses down on the chair, and the chair pushes you upward, supporting your weight. The impact of Newton's third law extends far beyond our daily lives. This law has transformed our understanding of motion and forces, playing a pivotal role in space exploration. Consider a rocket launch. When a rocket's engines expel gas downward with immense force, the expelled gas pushes the rocket upward with an equal force. This dynamic interaction allows the rocket to break free from Earth's gravitational pull and venture into space. Without Newton's third law, space exploration as we know it would be impossible. Before Newton's groundbreaking discovery, our comprehension of forces was limited. People lacked a systematic understanding of why objects move the way they did. Newton's third law ushered in a new era of clarity, revolutionizing not only the field of physics but also engineering, technology, and our perception of the cosmos. Quiz time! What does Newton's third law state? A. Forces always move in the same direction. B. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. C. Forces change the shape of objects. D. Forces are always stronger than reactions. The correct answer is option B. Which scenario best exemplifies Newton's third law of motion? A. Reading a book quietly. B. Riding a bike uphill. C. A car speeding on a straight road. D. Rowing a boat in water. The correct answer is option D. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and give the video a like. We'll be making more videos about science and other interesting topics.